Does olive oil make your hair grow faster? A versatile oil, it has protective and moisturizing properties. It shields the natural keratin in your hair and is a natural conditioner with its antioxidant content. Use the organic, extra virgin version for best results. Rich in vitamin E, it is great for hair growth, and oleic acid in the oil locks in the moisture. It revitalizes the scalp, nourishes the hair roots and promotes the growth of hair strands. Benefits of olive oil for hair growth. It softens the hair, giving it a smooth texture. With its anti-inflammatory properties, this oil can help combat dandruff, especially when combined with lemon juice. Olive oil also protects against heat damage, giving damaged hair a healthy appearance. Olive oil is best for damaged, dull, dry or frizzy hair, as well as for those who suffer from dandruff. Great for improving hair growth. How to use olive oil for hair growth. The oil can be applied to dry or damp hair. You can warm a little oil and distribute it equally through the scalp and hair. If you do it before your head bath, wrap a warm towel around your hair for 20 to 30 minutes before washing the oil off. Shampoo thoroughly to wash it off. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.